In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the singing bowl. So the first thing we want to do is we want to place our hand flat. So you want to put it directly on the palm and make sure that your fingers aren't touching the bowl, as that will stop it from being able to sing. You can use a cushion for this if you prefer. Different singing bowls have different beaters, and there's two main ways to play a singing bowl. The first way is to actually strike the bowl like this and then let it sing out. Or you can go around the bowl, kind of if you imagine you're stirring a soup, directly around the rim. And that sound just builds up over time. And then you can just release it whenever you want to. Another way to play it is you can actually strike it and then go around the bowl. So we'll try this now. So the method of hitting it first and then going around the bowl on the rim actually makes it sing faster. But different bowls sound different. So this is our 12 centimeter Tibetan bowl. This one is a 12 centimeter hand beaten singing bowl. Let's see how it sounds. It has a very bright meditative tone. If we go around the rim, this is a felted singing bowl beater. If you want the singing bowl to stop singing, you can just place your fingers on the edges slowly to create a smooth stop. This one is our 14 centimeter Tibetan singing bowl. Let's see how it sounds. And finally, this one is our 18 centimeter hand beaten singing bowl. Now let's see how it sounds with a wooden beater. You can get more resistance with a wooden beater compared to the felted. Anyway, if you want to check out any of these singing bowls, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.